amazing.
What's up?
Yeah, once in a lifetime.
क्या बात है नितिन? Yeah, bye.
This one, it is more way better than the other two. It has something over here that two mall they don't have it.
What is that?
Outdoor air condition.
What?
We have it.
I can just imagine.
The most expensive items over here is a vinegar from Italy. It is $1,000.
How much?
15 ml.
15 ml vinegar.
Yes, I'll show it to you.
No, what is this? This is the starter. My God. अभी मेन कोर्स तक कहानी पहुंची नहीं है यार. We're all set. And Mr. Saleh is there with us. स्वागत है आपका.
Yeah, we will have a long day today. So we will be moving from here, going to the Corniche area. After that, we will be going to the place called Katara Culture Village. We will see the Galleria Lafayette, Amphitheater, and the Blue Mosque and the Pigeon Tower.
Okay.
And from there, we will be going to the lunch. The restaurants is inside the Katara Culture Village. So after we finish up from the restaurants, the four-wheel drive, the Land Cruiser will be waiting for us. We will go to the desert.
To the desert. Okay.
Desert. So we will go to the desert. We will be taking 3-4 mountains or dunes, and we will stop in the place called Inland Sea. From the distance, we can see Saudi Arabia border.
Wow.
It's interesting. And after that, we'll be coming back to the camp. We will have a refreshment over there. And from there, we will go to the old market. Souk Waqif. After, in the Souk Waqif, we will see the camels, we'll see the horses, we'll see the falcons, and I will take you to the Falcon Hospital. That is the biggest one in the world.
Okay. तो अता साहब हैं पेशावर से.
बहुत पसंद करते हैं आपकी बेटी शेटी देखते हैं.
बहुत सारा.
आपको लंबी जिंदगी दे और लोगों को इसी तरह.
बहुत सारा पसंद. थैंक यू. हाँ, रियल में देख लिया, वही लगता हूँ वैसे ही. थैंक यू. चलो चलते हैं हम लोग यहाँ से. निकल पड़े आगे. थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, Saleh. Thank you so very much. तो पूरी तैयारी भाई साहब निकल पड़े हम लोग.
सर आज तो चक्कर है.
चक्कर भाई साहब. वाह.
So how's everybody here?
Nice and warm.
Ah, yes, nice and warm, really. Comparing to the next month or the following months, this is nothing still.
This is nothing.
Yes. Now the degrees, I think, is 40, 43.
Okay, super.
Yes. As what always we are saying here, welcome home.
Thank you.
So now we'll be going to the Corniche area. So actually Qatar, as everybody knows about it, this is one of the Middle East country.
Yes.
And one of the Bedouin country and one of the Gulf country. And you know, Qatar is considered one of the richest country in the world.
Yes, absolutely.
Can I ask why? Do you have an idea why it is?
Natural oil and natural reserves.
The natural gas. That is the main reason of it is natural gas. Before it was oil.
So 3 million is the population and only 20% is
Local or native or the citizen of Qatar.
Okay.
The majority of those 80%, the foreigners from India.
And how many Qataris are here?
Here in Qatar, it is around 400,000. The women's over here, they are on the top. They're having a different kind of a treatment. If the woman walk in the Souk Waqif, even in the middle of the night, even in the road, middle of the night, the only two categories or two people they will disturb her. Taxis and police. You will not see much police car on the road, by the way.
Yeah, we don't see much.
You will see police undercover, but you don't know, of course. They are in ordinary cars. And aside of this, CCTV cameras.
Are covering everything.
It's covering.
Saleh, you watched 15 matches.
I watched 15 matches in the stadium. I saw the opening, I saw the final, I saw Cristiano Ronaldo when he cried, when he lost from Morocco, and I saw the Argentina with Saudi Arabia when Argentina lose.
Oh my
It
God.
was incredible.
Yeah. Bro. Wow. What a great job you have, huh? For
Oh my God, this is once in a lifetime, of course. Or I will just continue about Corniche. Can we see this building in the left? This is what tomorrow we are going to.
The desert rose.
Desert Rose Museum.
Except that the desert rose, abhi mujhe pata chala, is actually not a rose, it's a stone.
Stone.
Wow. Unma? We didn't realize that.
During the FIFA World Cup, it was totally closed. Each and every 1 kilometer, we have a DJ spot with a dance floor. We have a station selling Coca-Cola and the other station selling Budweiser beer.
All
This
right.
is the first time in Qatar history selling beer in the street.
What a party.
This is the flag plaza for all the countries was participate during the
Okay,
FIFA
all
World
right,
Cup.
okay. Okay.
So next to that, we have a big, huge screen.
So this screen
This is the screen.
में सारे matches live दिखाए जा रहे
So
थे.
this-
This is the Museum of
Islamic
Art.
Yeah.
All right.
And those the dhows. You can see the boat.
They're the dhows, right?
Yes.
Fishing
And
boats.
this building, this small one, they call it Banana Island Terminal.
Okay. Ah.
So the place where we are going to stop now,
Yeah.
it is before it was the FIFA countdown clock.
ये है 1993 का ये नज़ारा जो अभी ये नज़ारा है. एक अलग लेवल पे गर्मी है भाई साहब. मुझको हैदराबाद का फील आ रहा है, राजस्थान का फील आ रहा है. 2 दिल्ली वाले जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे भाई साहब.
चांटे लग रहे हैं
गर्मी के चांटे.
I study in Hyderabad.
Oh, you studied in Hyderabad?
In Osmania.
साले पढ़ चुके हैं हैदराबाद में उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी में. क्या बात है
सर क्या गर्मी हो रही है
सर. गर्मी हो रही है सर. दिल्ली को याद दिला रहे हैं आप. जो गर्मी हो रही है ना, ओ हो इसलिए आए भाई, इसलिए. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. बाबा संभाल के गिर बेटा, संभाल के गिर. गिरना मत, पानी में मत गिरना. ओ हो amazing. This water is so clean.
The water, yes.
अरे देख रंग बदल रहा है इसका. ओ गया भाई, उड़ गया पतंग की तरह उड़ा भाई. थैंक यू सो मच. ओहो, इसमें पहले काउंटडाउन था. ये ह्यूब्लॉट का घड़ी है. लेट्स गो सर. द फ्लैग स्टाफ ऑफ द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज.
Brazil, Spain.
खट आवाज आ रही है, हवा से जल रही है. क्या भाई. You know what? We saw camels today. Yeah, in the morning. There was some official thing happening, and the road was blocked in the morning. अच्छा, मैं सबसे पहले एक बता दूं, इतनी कमाल की गर्मी है ना, अभी मैं डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि रूपाली और तन्वी दोनों बैठे हैं. अमेजिंग गर्मी भाई. 99 से ये सब बिल्डिंगें बननी शुरू हुई.
Katara Culture Village.
Katara Culture Village.
Katara. Katara. Katara Culture Village, actually, why they call it Culture Village? Because it has a different kind of cultures from everywhere in the world. Galleria Lafayette, it's a shopping mall from Paris. Amphitheater or a Colosseum from Rome. We have a Blue Mosque from Turkey. And we have a Pigeon Tower from Egypt. Katara Culture Village. It is surrounded by green hills. You can see on the right side. This green hills, by the way, it's an artificial hills, but the green, it's a natural one. This is the Galleria Lafayette. Galleria Lafayette, we have 3 branches. One in Paris, this is the main one. Other one in Dubai, and the third one over here.
Okay.
But this one, it is way better than the other 2. It's not because they are in Qatar, no, but it has something over here that 2 malls didn't have it.
What is that?
Outdoor air conditioning.
What?
We have it. The size of this area of this Katara Culture Village, it is exactly 400,000 square meters.
I can just imagine कि winter में if you come here, क्या
In
खूबसूरत
the winter,
लगेगा.
it's very
It will be amazing.
Very cool.
पर आपको दिखाने के लिए हम लोग
We
गर्मी में यहाँ घूम रहे हैं.
in February. You can see the black one in the ground.
Yeah.
That is the air conditioner.
Do we get off here?
Yes, we will go down.
All these are air conditioned ducts. क्या बात है. Come, we'll go to the cross to that side. Oh, wait. Just stand. चलो. ठंडा पानी. कमाल है भाई, कमाल. Much cooler, yeah. Unwa? It's cool. क्या बात है.
I'll take a picture of them.
Okay, all right, thanks. Also beat the heat. How are you? ये जो पूरा है ये शाम के वक्त एकदम भर जाएगी जगह हम लोग.
So now we are going to the one place. It's a grocery. The name of the grocery is Sinam. Sinam. The most expensive items over here is a vinegar from Italy. It is $1,000.
$1,000. How much?
15 ml.
15 ml vinegar.
Yes, I'll show it to you.
भाई विनेगर पसंद है?
This is my kind of a thing.
Yes.
I love supermarket.
15 ml का है, $1,000 का है.
नहीं लेना.
नहीं नहीं.
तो सुपरमार्केट.
इतने पैसे लेते भाई. पूछो. ये देख.
This is in Qatar area.
क्या बात.
Vinegar.
Zero alcohol red wine.
This is nice for the barbecue. Marination the steak.
Ah, okay, okay. And I love this again. All these places is about AC ducts. Essentially, fine living के बहुत possibilities हैं यहाँ पर. I just love this, यार. Just love this. Just look at the flooring. Flooring देखो यार. क्या बात. Wow. You serve Colombian coffee?
Yes.
Okay, so which is the interesting one? I want a hot coffee. Which one would you suggest?
Strong coffee,
Yeah, I would love to have a
flat white.
flat white.
Strong coffee, yeah.
I don't want it so strong. The cappuccino.
It's more the
Colombian feel.
yes.
Okay, so I'm going to have the Colombian coffee. I'm very excited. Please give it to me. Thank you so much. Is this the one? Wow.
Yes, yes.
This is the one. Oh, yeah, wow. Thank you, my friend. Oh, yeah. So excited. The first time I'm going to have Colombian coffee, यार. क्या बात है. जिंदगी में पहली बार मैं एक Colombian coffee पीने वाला हूँ. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ लोगों को. अब मैं पी रहा हूँ. Mogu, I have tasted Colombian coffee. कुछ फर्क पता नहीं चला मोगू. I have to go to Colombia with you and have some genuine Colombian coffee. हाँ. भाई साहब मैं बड़ा स्पेशल फील कर रहा हूँ कि मैं कोलंबियन कॉफी पी रहा हूँ. वैसे टेस्ट एकदम सेम है, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं. हंसो मत, उनमा हंस लो. कम लेट्स गो, वी गो टू कैच इन कार. अरे कार ढूंढते हैं, चलो. कोलंबियन कॉफी. ओहो है भाई साहब.
ओहो.
बचपन याद आई. कोलंबिया में हमने बिताया था.
आंखें खुल गई.
हमने जब बचपन कोलंबिया में बिताया तो याद आ गई हमको.
सर मैं तो कोलंबिया पहुंच गया हूँ.
मैं तो वहीं का हूँ.
दोहा में नहीं, हम लोग कोलंबिया हो गए.
क्या दोहा मारा आपने. वाह.
सर उन्होंने जब बोला ना कि पूरे कतर की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो कितना 3 मिलियन.
हाँ.
मेरे को दिमाग में एकदम से आया कि भाई 3 मिलियन तो हमारे जामा मस्जिद में दिल्ली में इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं एक साथ.
गाड़ी का वेट कर रहे हैं.
I'll get a club car and we will go to the restaurants by the club car.
Oh, that'll be amazing. That'll be amazing. Oh no, let's go. Oh, भाई साहब कमाल हो गया. लगता है हमारी गाड़ी में कोई और बैठी है. How are you, my friend? कहाँ से आप? बांग्लादेश থেকে বাংলা বলো তো তাহলে. বসো বসো. বাহ বাহ বাহ. কি নাম তোমার ভাই?
আমার নাম শফিক.
अशरफिक. चलो. वाह. अशरफिक के साथ जा रहे हैं भाई. अच्छा हुआ गाड़ी के अंदर ठंडा है. बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत प्लेजेंट वेदर हो रहा है भाई साहब. कोलंबियन पी रहे हैं अपन. ये एकदम मस्ती आ रही.
This is Katara Hall.
कतारा हॉल.
Yes. The Blue Mosque over here.
Oh, this is like Istanbul.
Yeah.
Like Istanbul, they've created the Blue Mosque. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, we meet again. So the interior of the Blue Mosque is like the original,
Like the original Blue Mosque in Turkey.
and the exterior.
And the exterior design is exactly like a golden dome mosque in Jerusalem.
Okay, and this is the
Pigeon Town.
Pigeon Town. Okay.
Katara
Cinema.
It is not like the normal ordinary seats in the cinema.
Okay.
The different. We have 4 rooms: gold, green, blue, and pink. The most expensive one is the pink one. The seats over there exactly same like the first class airplane.
Okay, first class
Airplane. Yes.
Wow.
2 seats beside each other, same like the first class airplane. In the middle there is a screen. You can order food from there. The waiter will bring it to you.
Okay.
And the chair can bend, and they have a blanket and they have a pillows under the seat.
Wow, kya baat.
That's why the ticket over there, it's in dollars, is $165.
Oh.
I watched it with my daughter, and I told her this is the first time and the last time. I fall asleep in the 10 minutes to start of the movie.
Wow.
We have here in the right side.
Wow.
St. Regis,
St. Regis.
Intercontinental, and Al Fardan Residential.
यार I can imagine ये winters में मोहम्मद क्या होने वाला है ये winters में crazy किया रे
टीवी के वीडियोस निकाल रहा हूँ
crazy किया रे
Called the Pearl Island.
That's the Pearl Island. भाई साहब आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि हम लोग इस गर्मी में शूट कर रहे हैं आपके लिए सिर्फ आपके लिए Well, you're lucky you're sitting in the shade. Just look at the color of the sea. Bro, इसको पकड़. इस गर्मी की फोटो नहीं ली तो क्या लिए?
You will feel hungry. You will eat and you will walk down. You will digest. All right.
Thank you बंधु, thank you. खाने का नहीं तो आ जाओ भाई. अरे वाह. उन्मा, beautiful, huh? How are you? Hey, I have seen this person somewhere. क्या बात है वाह. Guys, come. How are you? Wonderful. Which floor is this on?
It's on number 4. I'm escorting you all the way up there. Please.
The view from the top is amazing.
Yes, it's amazing.
And are we sitting somewhere there?
Yes, of course.
Wow. Beautiful. Unma. Kono bird ashpena muna tomar kache. So this is a wonderful setting. यहाँ पे it's like a garden where birds are flying around. बहुत ही interesting setting है. Lunch कर रहे हैं. How's it? Huh?
Yes, it's good.
Nice. Is this the portion or more?
I'm gonna get. Should I get you another one? Should I get?
That's chas. Perfect. This is very good. वैसा आ गया. Don't worry. कुछ नहीं है. No, what is this? This is the starter.
This is just hot and cold appetizer.
Oh,
Yeah.
boss.
Thank you very much.
My God. अभी मेन कोर्स तक कहानी पहुंची नहीं है यार. I love spicy. Spicy, give me here. Oh. Wow. This is just the
should also try
cold
this
start.
for-
How old is this place, my friend?
It's around 14 years ago.
14 years.
That's right.
And one of the oldest restaurants in Qatar.
That's right.
And this theme of the garden.
Hi everyone.
Hi. What?
We are so proud to serve you today. So thank you very much for choosing our restaurant.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Wow.
Okay, this is our famous mante.
Mandi.
Mante, that's right.
All right.
It's an Armenian dish,
Okay. क्या बात है?
and this is a second.
Is this the dessert?
No, it's not.
No.
We're still going with
Looks
food.
like.
What is this?
This is called fish kebab. It's 5 pieces of kebab with some caramelized cherry on top.
And what kebab is that?
Normal kebab.
And it's made out of what?
It's made of lamb.
Lamb.
That's right.
All right. So ये lamb kebab है. Wow. अरे रे. Oh yes, please. ये है lamb.
गरम है.
This is your mixed grill.
Oh.
Chicken kebab and lamb kebab.
Chicken. रख दो भाई. Oh. What are these?
This one is called Asmali.
Uh-huh.
The one next to it is called Halal Tijibin. And the last one, it's an Armenian dessert. It's called Saribor.
Sorry,
Below
bro.
is Kigali.
Patala has been here, has been running this for 13 years.
For more than 30
More than 30. What an extraordinary experience this was. मजा आ गया, मजा आ
Thank you for
गया.
coming, Mr.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन जाना है. बहुत दूर जाना है. चलते हैं. So after an amazing lunch, अब हम लोग इस जगह को छोड़ के जा रहे हैं भाई. बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा. क्या करें, जाना तो पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अब हम जा रहे हैं for the desert safari. Bye.